What's up, guys? Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we're building a PC inside a case that you don't normally see very often, but we did a sponsored video a little while back on the APNX C1 with the, well, I don't think we've used their cooler. This cooler is actually kind of cool, the APV, which it's a very aesthetic forward case, and we kind of went all white here. This is Jonah Plan building. It's gonna look really nice. And yeah, we're gonna put it together. It's gonna be beautiful.
We're gonna do more than put it together.
We're gonna make it look amazing. Good morning, world, and all who inhabit it. Can you do with 7600X 3D? I'm assuming, can we do a build with one? Well, it's a Microsoft exclusive. We don't have one. I don't know if there is anybody who has one. There might be, but we do not have one. Will we get one? Potentially. What do you like streaming on more, YouTube or Twitch? Well, we still primarily stream on Twitch. The restream kind of just pulls, you know, chat from YouTube. We really do nothing else on YouTube. So I would say Twitch for live streaming. There is a reason all these big streamers, when their contracts are ending on YouTube, Kick, or whatever, are all coming back and streaming on Twitch and multi-streaming. I've seen that cooler, ZTT, it looks so slick. Gives me RTX Founders Card vibes.
Redo.
I can kind of see it. It's very, it's the flat plastic, you know? Yeah. What is your thoughts on the 6750 GRE? I don't think we've bought one before. I know they exist. I love the 7900 GRE. That one's awesome. We have another build that we just did yesterday that features it, and it's performing very well so far. What if someone asked you to build a PC with baked beans inside? Huh?
We would do it.
I know it sounds crazy, but could Jonah or Jackson do a DIY short for an ARGB fan hub install?
Yeah, I guess we could.
A short for how to set up RGB wouldn't be a bad one.
Oh God.
They'd be tough.
See, my mind would overthink though, and I'd be way overexcited. Like, well, there's about 1,000 different ways you can do this.
It'd be like, if you're running, this is for standard ARGB.
Tallahassee Craigslist is kind of sketch. It just sounds sketch, honestly.
I don't even, I don't remember the last time I loaded up Craigslist.
I've actually used it a few times recently, not for buying, but for selling, and I've actually sold a couple things on there.
I feel like the regular local buyers are still on Craigslist.
I've realized for certain things, Craigslist is still really good. Cars and boats, for example, Craigslist is still pretty decent, like basically more expensive things.
Hey, Jay Brunson with the 5 gifted.
Thank you,
Let's
Jay.
go. Thank you.
Believe it or not, too, they've actually been updating Craigslist. Like, they actually have some new features and stuff.
Oh my God, crazy.
It still looks old as shit, but...
Yay, 5 gifted to start the morning. Thank you so much, I appreciate it.
So this cooler is weird. I thought, look at the, from here to here, I was like, holy shit, dude, this is so crooked. But then I'm looking here, I'm like, it's straight. And then I realized it's like, what do you call it? Slightly diagonal. Like it gets bigger at one end. So it's like an air tunnel, but it looks weird.
Is the i5 12 Gen with the stock cooler good? It works. I will say it is pushing it. Don't be surprised if you do see like 80 degrees running it. It's perfectly fine running on that. But if you have a little bit of money to spare, just spending the $16 to $17 on like a little ID cooling cooler will drop it by like 15, 20 degrees.
ID cooling cooler.
Is that an Anchor webcam? Yes.
Your daughter's 3668 has a 1050 and it's garbage? Really? I don't know if I'd call it garbage. You might just need to, it might have a hard drive. That'd be my guess, because that's the problem is like, whenever you have a hard drive, it'll make anything, like any spec seem like they're horrible. What's a hard drive? Oh God. We're starting to get kids in the chat. Can you believe they don't respect their elders and don't even know what a hard drive is?
Put it in there.
Yeah.
I love from this angle, it literally looks like just a shell they put over top of a very basic black cooler.
You know, I think it is.
All right, be careful to watch this.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch a couple things.
3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, go. Do you all sell GPUs? Normally, no. If you come in person, there's a chance we'll sell you a GPU and charge you for the service to upgrade your PC with a GPU, but we don't just sell graphics cards.
Not enough money in that market.
Just tuning in, are you building 2 different computers? YouTube and Twitch say different ones. Well, what if I told you I messed up the title and I was able to change the Twitch one, but the YouTube one's different, so it's gonna be confusing for both people. I'm 38, you get respect from me, you gotta earn it. Hold up.
Whoa.
Do you not respect us, PFox42?
What did we do?
Are we washed up?
What would I recommend for a build, upgrade friendly, for a kid that does Minecraft mostly? So this is a good example of where you could go the APU route. The 8600G is like 100 and, unless I'm crazy, I think like 139 right now. 140.
Is it that cheap now?
I don't know, let me check. We're gonna look up RX 7600. Oh, there's bids. Oh, dude, there's like, yeah, there's bids on some for, there's 2 of them ending, sorry, this one right here is ending in 2 hours, and it is at 165 plus 1140 shipping. A lot of the other ones are pretty buttwater deals, honestly. I mean, you can get like a 7600 Challenger for 210 or best offer. So you might be able to offer them like maybe 195, and the $13 shipping would put you, you know, at like close to 210, which is not bad. All right, now 160. Nope. Nope, hold on.
Here we go with the Omar LOL every 30 seconds, same message, copy paste. Omar, what is going on, buddy?
The 8600G just not exist on Amazon. The 8500's there for 160, but I wouldn't do that one. If you buy that build from us, you get a 1-year warranty. We don't void your warranty for adding parts and whatnot. So this one right here is $675, and you get the 8600G, 512 gigs of storage, 32 gigs of DDR5, by the way, and it's RGB. Inside of the Apiva Prodigy. Here's pictures of it. It's honestly, it's a sleek build. It'll fit pretty big GPUs. Yeah, very, very nice build.
Y'all were talking
my
smack.
God.
What happened?
Freaking, like when you go to plug in a SATA and it's really hard and then you just slip and it destroys your fingies. Pretty much that. You know, let's ARGB header this one too.
Okay.
Because I feel like I don't want Jonah to have to like try to change the RAM and where's a good header at?
You want to hit a good header? I have been playing Black Ops 6. It's great. Nice.
Oh, you like it? I mean, I watched gameplay and it looked really good. I've had like 2 friends tell me they already refunded it.
When does it officially come out?
It's next year. I'm just kidding.
Next year.
When Killing Floor 2 comes out.
That's gonna be a historic day.
That's gonna be a
Killing Floor
grinding
3.
game.
This is where the screw. There's the top ones and the bottom ones are right here.
Is it just like a hard drive cage, basically?
I guess.
So it literally takes 4 screws, huh?
Yeah, and then I put the 2 in there, and then those are the other ones.
Oh, this goes on the inside. Because at first I'm like, bro, the side panel's like not gonna go on.
Do you think Intel's gonna cook with their 15 gen CPUs? It's
No.
not 15 gen. Get it right. It's Series 2.
Series 2.
Series 2. I mean, I think they'll be good.
Will they cook? Perhaps.
Will they literally cook?
Yeah, will they rust from the inside out?
One may never know. Do you think Intel Arc is worthy for sub $700 builds? In very particular use cases, because in the games that Arc does well, it outperforms any other GPU in its price point. But the issue is driver optimization in certain games. So it depends on what games you're playing. I'm just going with the assumption you guys saw my comment. I don't want to annoy you by spamming a comment. I did not see it, Aster. I'll be honest with you. We've had a lot of messages today.
Asking autumn question.
I've taken out the GPU before, so I'm familiar with how to put one in. I just had a concern about that black part that's standing on the motherboard. Nope, you're good.
Yeah, you're good. That ain't gonna bother you. Shall we see it work?
It shall work.
And then Jonah may take it from here, whatever he wants to do.
Whatever that means.
He probably won't even do a video on it now.
No, you probably won't. Wow, it's white.
Oh, did it go white?
It went white. The RAM's RGB though.
Oh.
So. Oh no!
Sigma!
Yep, the shop is open on Saturdays, 11 to 4.
How about our new trash can where if he has to dig through it, it'll be so clean. Cool.
Jones gonna be like, ah!
Jonah's gonna go ape mode.
My build!
It's crazy. It's like purple.
My build!
Ow. He's gonna say everything is so wrong. This is not
No,
how
you know what
I
he's
would
gonna
have
say?
built
He's like, it needs to be plugged into its own header so I can customize it.
And I'll say, well, Jonah,
Well, Jonah, you know what to do.
you should do that. All right, guys, we're rating Girthy Tech Deck with 103 viewers. Wow, he's about to be famous. Hope you guys enjoy the stream. See you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out.